When I press the start button, the circuit is now working. Now the circuit selector switch in the forward move. So the now motor is running forward. When I change the selector switch to reverse, then the motor will be running reverse. Here is also a disconnect. When I press that, the circuit is now open and motor is turning off. When I press the stop button, the circuit now will be open and motor will be turned off. Now I have to press start button again. So this circuit is now working in both the direction, in forward and reverse direction. This one is forward, this one is reverse direction.